Hi, I'm Don Cota, and I'm here to explain to you about the Wicked Edge sharpening system. It comes in a box that looks just like this, and if you buy it from Kingdom Knives, you'll find there's a riser block in there. In the box is 4 stones, a vise, the blue holder, the bar, and the 2 rods. 4 stones, the screwdriver part, or the Allen wrench part, and the lineup part. Okay. Now, when you get it there, you assemble the riser block to here. There's a C-clamp that clamps this to the table. You mount these rods onto the bar. There is little holes in the back down here where the screw will fit right in and lock it right into the proper angle. All right. I happen to have this angle set at 21 degrees, which is probably what this knife is. Okay. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it in here, and we're going to put that right there. And you just rock it back and forth until it's steady. And then you put this bugger in here, and it doesn't require a whole lot of pressure. You know, it's all you're looking for is just to lock it up so it doesn't move around. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of a dry eraser marker on there just to see where everything is. And we're going to make a pass, and you can see we just took about a 70 thousandths, 80 thousandths flat on there. So now I know that this is the proper angle for this knife. I take the coarsest stone that we have, which happens to be 100 grit that comes in the box. And by the way, there are other stones available, but these 4 right here are about all you're going to need. We're going to make a few passes. And what we're looking to do is, if you feel, you'll feel this burr, and the burr has gone this way. That's like what they call a wire edge. All right? So, knowing that we have a wire edge all the way, now we want a wire edge on this side. So we're going to take and do roughly the same thing over again. And now I can feel the wire edge right here. Now we're ready to start sharpening. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to make about 10 or 15 strokes, and I can feel and hear that the tempo has changed, so it's time to change the coarseness. Right, so. And all you need to do is just go like this. That's, you give it one. Now your grandfather might have told you, well, you should always come into the blade. Frankly, at this stage, I don't like coming into the blade. I'd rather go like this. I feel safer, and it doesn't seem to affect the quality of the blade. Okay, now we're going to go down to the next one, which is a 200 grit. What you have now is a pretty sharp knife anyways right now. But what we're going to do is we're going to go down and we're going to hone it in a little tighter. So now we're going to use the 400 grit. And you can tell it sounds different when you're using the finer ones. And now we're going to go into the 600 grit. For those of you whose grandfather would be upset, you can come back on it if you want to. For safety reasons, I don't really like coming back onto it, because if you slip, you're going right into the blade. But either way, yeah, I usually check it with my thumbnail just to see how it digs in, and you can feel it digging in. And then we're going to take it out of the vise. Wipe it off. Make sure you use dry eraser, otherwise you'll end up marking the blade. But you can see where this just touching my fingernail, and it digs right in. If it wasn't sharp, it would just slide right off. All right. And now, the final test. These can be ordered from Kingdom Knives. If you have any questions at all you have to do is call. We're at area code 802-748-3591. And we're more than happy to talk to you about it. Thank you.